Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Jazzy.
And also, Tita! Okay, bye!
Today, I'm going to teach you how to play Cant, Falling in Love by Elvis Presley. In order to play this song, we need to learn 6 chords on the ukulele. Before that, shout out time! Shout out to Rich Lim, Juvie Igonia, Princess Ansay, Jake and Tal, Night Boy, Warren David, Jedaya Antenero, Roger Lingamen, Hannah Hular, and Kana Kisina. Hello everyone! Keep watching! Let's proceed to our lesson. C chord, 3rd fret, 1st string. G chord, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 1st string. 3rd fret, 2nd string. A minor, 2nd fret, 4th string. F, 1st fret, 2nd string. 2nd fret, 4th string. E minor, 2nd fret, 1st string. 3rd fret, 2nd string. 4th fret, 3rd string. D minor, 1st fret, 2nd string. 2nd fret, 4th and 3rd string. If you're ready, let's begin. On the intro, we have 2 chords. First, C and G. Before I forgot, I'll teach you the strumming pattern. Now, 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 now. Let's play intro. Next, verse. We have 5 chords on verse. C, E minor, A minor, F, and G. So let's play verse. We have 4 chords on chorus. E minor, A minor, D minor, and G. So let's play chorus. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Something we're meant to be. Let's play from the top. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Something we're meant to be. That's it! I hope you guys had fun with the lesson. Thank you for your support, and don't forget to click subscribe subscribe, like, comment, and share. Stay safe, guys. God bless. It's me, Jazzy.
And also, Elvis at your service. Bye! Bye!